You brush your teeth every day, floss, maybe even use mouthwash. But still, your teeth are getting more and more sensitive, your gums bleed when you brush, and the bad breath just won't go away. If you're willing to put up with this, stop everything you're doing and watch this video until the end, because what I'm about to show you could save you from losing your teeth in the next few years. And no, it has nothing to do with a stronger toothbrush or buying a $500 electric toothbrush. My name is Sarah, and I thought I was taking good care of my teeth too. But the truth is that what you're using in your mouth today may not be solving the real problem. Most pastes and treatments only treat the symptoms, but a product called ProXental did something I've never seen before. And look, dentists are amazed at the results, and those who have used it swear it is almost a natural miracle. ProXental is a 100% natural supplement in the form of an oral gel created to regenerate receding. Gums strengthen loose and brittle teeth, eliminate bad breath, reduce inflammation and bleeding, and protect against new cavities. And the best part, it starts to work in the first few weeks. Susie, 62, had 3 loose teeth that the dentist wanted to extract. After using ProXental, the dentist said, "You won't lose your teeth anymore." Greg, 69, had suffered for years with pain when brushing his teeth. The roots were exposed. With ProXental, he says, "There is no more pain, no more blood, and I can eat whatever I want again." Alex from Florida was told by his dentist that he was going to lose his teeth due to gingivitis. Today, he says his bad breath is gone, the cracks in his teeth have disappeared, and his gums are healthy again. Is that Marianne? At almost 70 years old, she had her gums restored and avoided surgery thanks to ProXental. These testimonials are on the official website, and I'm not the one saying it. And I left the link here in the description in case you want to see more testimonials. The secret of ProXental is its state-of-the-art formula, with clinically trained nutrients that fight destructive bacteria, create a protective layer on teeth and gums, and help with the natural regeneration of the mouth. It's like giving your oral health an internal booster, something that brushing, flossing, or rinsing simply can't do alone. But look, there's a very important detail. ProXental is only sold on the official website, and because it's a total success in the United States, stocks are always running out. Sometimes you have to wait 2 or 3 months to get a new batch. That's why it's best to complete the treatment with 3 to 6 bottles, because it's cheaper, savings of up to 61%, and you're guaranteed real results. And if you still have doubts, listen to this. You have a 12-month guarantee. If you don't see visible results, just ask for your money back. It's that simple. No questions asked. So if you suffer from weak teeth, inflamed gums, pain when chewing, or bad breath, click on the link in the description now and get your ProXental at a discount. Don't wait for your symptoms to get worse. Take care of your oral health now with something that really works. Your teeth deserve this chance, and so do you.